evening. So how are you doing? I'm Samuel Omide. So I want to show you, because so many people have been asking me, is Nigeria eligible to make money now? Nigeria is eligible to make money on Facebook through ad revenue. So for you in my community, let me show you. For you in my community, I told you earlier that you can see, I think I have 850 here. So now I posted it before, like around maybe 15 days ago, like you guys cannot make money, but Facebook promised us that we'll be able to make money on Facebook through ad revenue in June. So now, I said just check one of my pages on Facebook that I'm using for money. So now let me show you. This is the page, and this is the page. You see, I only have 190 followers here. So let me show you the dashboard. And let me show you. So scroll down. You now see. You see now you reside in eligible country. So what you need now to do is just to get your TIN. You need TIN, okay, and tax verification ID, okay, because Facebook, when they pay you, they will be paying you. They believe in 100% money they are giving to you through ad revenue. You're supposed to be paying other people. You're supposed to be paying your government. Facebook are taking 30% from the 100% ad revenue, so they're giving you 70%, and they believe that from that 70%, your government supposed to be paying tax also to your government, at least like 7%. So if you don't register, if you don't have TIN, you can't monetize your page on Facebook. So that's the information I have for you guys. So I hope this helps. So now just the thing you need now is just to run your video views ads, and just if you don't know how to run video views, so if you are my community, you're supposed to know how to do that and how to grow your page even organically. So thank you and have a wonderful time. I remain Samuel Omide. See you next time.